Hello viewers, this is Style Too Fast here. In today's video, I will be doing a repair on this 2013 GMC Terrain. Now let me go to the back of the vehicle and I'll show you what's broken on this vehicle. Looking at the back of the car, you'll see the rubber antenna on the roof is broken. Now with these type of antenna, the rubber antenna actually screws into this hole right here. The problem right now is the threaded part is stuck in that hole. I need to get that out. Also, in the process of this being damaged, you'll see the base here has lifted off the body panel. Now this needs to be fixed because water can get in and leak into the vehicle and cause more damage. For this job, I'll use this 5/64 inch screw extractor. First, spray a little bit of penetrating oil on this. Next, center punch the middle of that broken bolt. Now drill a hole in the middle of that screw. Use a drill bit that's a little bigger than your bolt extractor. Now I'll put the screw extractor into the hole and turn it counterclockwise. You can see the screw extractor is able to bite into that hole and back that piece out. Now because this is not seized, I can actually do this by hand. And here it is. Now to fix the base of the antenna so it'll sit flush onto the roof of the car, you need to get access underneath the antenna behind the headliner. So go ahead and open up the hatch. Pull back the weather stripping. To give you a bit more room to work with underneath the headliner, go ahead and remove the two hangers on both sides. It's held in by a Phillips screw. Here's a close-up look at the hanger. Carefully pull down on the headliner. The wires you're looking at is the antenna wire. If you follow the wire, it'll go to the base of the antenna. Now underneath the base, there's a 10mm bolt that's holding it in place. You do need to remove that bolt if you want to replace the base or loosen it if you want to make adjustment to the antenna base. Now when you remove it, there's actually a bracket behind that bolt with 4 prongs. That will come out also. That is there to keep the antenna from moving around. I'll be using this flexible wrench with a 10mm socket. And here's a look at the bolt with a bracket on it. When you remove the antenna base, pay attention to this plastic piece. Often you'll find this stuck underneath the body panel. To get it out, you might have to reach underneath and push this through, back out. On this piece, there's a side where you can squeeze it in and then push this piece through the panel. Once you have this out, put this plastic piece onto the base of this antenna. It goes on like this. There are clips on both sides that will clip into the panel. If you don't put this piece on properly, there will be a gap between the antenna base and the body panel, and you'll have water leaking into the car. So here's a closer look. We installed the antenna base. Here's a look from underneath before installing the screw. And here's a look after the bolt is tightened. Here's a replacement antenna, part number 22868913. Here's a look at the bottom of the antenna. Screw this back in. Reinstall 2 hangers. Put the weather stripping back on. As you can see, this is a repair you can do at home by yourself. If you own a GMC Terrain or a Chevy Equinox and you have a broken antenna, I hope you found this video to be helpful. For a list of the parts and tools used in this video, check out the link in the description below. If you have any questions or comments, leave one in the comments section. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, remember to click on a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, please click on the subscribe button to support this channel. Also click on the notification bell so you'll get notified of my new videos. Thank you and have an awesome day.